How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. My name's Tom Dyer, and today's move is this. This is an over-the-shoulder to a backwards tap to a reverse catch. Catchy name, I know. Call it whatever you want. If you want, call it whatever you want, but that's what I'm calling it for now. Now, let me just re-perform that for you. There is a few different ways you can do a tap over the shoulder, but I like this one because it's kind of a shock to people and it feels more natural as you come to grab the bottle. So what's happening is you're throwing the bottle over your shoulder to here. So as it comes over, instead of catching it there, your hand is going to come up, and instead of, like I say, instead of catching it, remember I said it's a more natural tap, instead of catching it like this, you're going to bring your hand like this, okay? So imagine you've thrown the bottle over your shoulder. Instead of catching it here, okay, you're bringing your hand here and you're going to hit it. So it's going to come over. You're going to go. The bottle's going to spin away from you like this. And then your hand is in this position and you're going to go boom. And you're going to grab it in reverse grab like so. That is the shot, the over the shoulder to reverse backwards tap to reverse catch. Oopsie. I'm back. I think you'll agree that it's a very cool move to perform. I mean, once you get it, it just feels really nice. Yes. And you can upgrade from there as well. You can try and do a stall. Oh, shit. You can try and do a stall, but it's really tough. I've never done a stall, to be honest with you. Oh, here we go. I got it. Huh? Surprised myself. But anyway, on that bombshell, that is it for this week's 3 Minute Thursday. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're nailing those moves. Until next week, I'll see you then.